Hello, this is Linda Nair with Traveling Flamingo. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our video today.
Today we're going to take a tour of one of the Polynesian rooms that we stayed at our last trip to Disney World. The Polynesian is the hotel that as a kid I grew up going to, and one that I have a lot of sentimental attachment to. Linda's is a different one on the loop, and we'll talk about that one at another time. But for now, let's take a look at the Polynesian. This is the Fiji Longhouse in Disney's Polynesian Hotel. This is the washroom. Give you a quick tour. There's a shower and bath combo right here, as you can see. No rain head, but still nice. As you can remember, this is one of the original Disney hotels. Double sink with the H2O soaps. Got one of those big mirrors to look at yourself, the light around it. A little bit of damage that I guess they have to fix when they go in for room repair again. And then you've got some fairly large cabinets. We've got our luggage in here right now. You got one here. 2 rows for putting your clothes on. There's a coffee maker. We brought some apples. We brought some Powerade. A couple glasses. And down here you've got cups, teas and coffees, and empty. You got a little fridge, which we've put some food in, some fruits and veg, and some tomatoes and some other stuff for sandwiches and so forth in the parks. Another one of these large closets with a bunch of stuff, an ironing board, extra duvet. Got a safe, pretty big safe. You can put quite a bit in that thing. Big enough for, I'm sure, at least a laptop, if not more. And now for the main part of the room. So this is a twin bed arrangement. So you've got 2 beds, 2 twin-size beds. We have a marina view, which is very nice. A little bit of a joining door here for if you have families who are staying in these. Nice, large, refurbished big screen TV. Or the room's been refurbished, so they're putting in these bigger big screen TVs in these newer rooms. Quite a bit of places to hold your clothes. Quite a number of chargers as well. Over here you've got 3 power chargers and 2 USB chargers. Then underneath here is a pull-out table that you can pull out to eat on or do work. We've got a pull-out sofa bed, so you can actually have, I guess, 6 people in this room. And then this is the second bed, and the second bed also has another set of chargers. We've got 2 power ports and 2 USB ports. And then onto this side, there are 4 power ports and 2 USB ports. And when we came in, they also leave you with the new Toy Story book to tell you everything about the magic in Toy Story Land, and the private dining in the Polynesian, and some information on mosquitoes. And then on this side, when we came in, we actually got a note from the general manager, which was nice. And that's about it for the room itself. Some storage underneath the USB ports. You've got your Holy Bible, Gideon's Bible as usual with Disney, and some more storage down here. And lastly, the view. So this is a Marina Room. So we're on the 2nd floor of the Fiji Longhouse. And as you can see, we've got a view of the marina. Contemporary is just back in the corner there. A bit hard to see. And the lava pool is right over here. And the marina, and that's Ohana, right above here. It's Ohana's. And yeah, so it'll be a nice little place for the 8 days we're staying here this week. Looking forward to getting a couple time lapses through this, so One more view of the bedroom the other way. They've been really, really nicely refreshed. I think for those who remember the original Polynesian rooms, this is quite a bit better. So there you go.